Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel ORG Cars. The 2025 Kia Optima, known globally as the Kia K5, continues to redefine the midsize sedan segment with its blend of sophisticated design, advanced technology, and exceptional value. Building upon its legacy, the 2025 model introduces notable enhancements that cater to both driving enthusiasts and those seeking comfort and reliability. Exterior design. The 2025 Optima boasts a refreshed exterior that exudes modernity and elegance. The front fascia features redesigned headlights with a distinctive LED pattern, seamlessly integrated into a sleek, textured grille. Larger faux vents on the front bumper not only enhance its aggressive stance but also improve aerodynamics. The vehicle's fastback-like profile is accentuated by a chrome strip running along the window line, culminating at the C-pillar, giving the sedan a dynamic and fluid appearance. New alloy wheel designs and a palette of contemporary exterior colors, including snow white pearl, platinum graphite, and horizon blue, allow owners to personalize their Optima to their taste. Interior and technology. Stepping inside the 2025 Optima reveals a cabin designed with both driver and passenger comfort in mind. The centerpiece of the interior is a pair of 12-inch screens, one serving as a digital instrument cluster and the other as a touchscreen infotainment system. This dual-screen setup provides intuitive access to vehicle information, navigation, and entertainment options. The traditional gear lever has been replaced with a modern rotary selector, freeing up space and adding to the minimalist aesthetic. High-quality materials, ambient lighting, and ergonomic seating ensure a comfortable ride, whether it's a short commute or a long journey. Performance and handling. Under the hood, the 2025 Optima offers a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering 191 horsepower and 181 pounds-feet of torque. This powertrain is mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and responsive shifts. The suspension system has been fine-tuned to balance comfort and agility, ensuring confident handling around corners and a composed ride over uneven surfaces. For those seeking enhanced traction, an all-wheel drive option is available, a feature that sets the Optima apart in its class. Safety features. Kia prioritizes safety, and the 2025 Optima is equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS. Standard features include forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, and driver attention warning. Higher trims offer additional technologies such as blind spot collision avoidance assist, smart cruise control with stop-go, and a surround view monitor, providing drivers with enhanced awareness and confidence on the road. Pricing and trims. The 2025 Kia Optima is available in multiple trims to suit a variety of preferences and budgets. The base LX trim starts at $28,145, offering a robust set of standard features. The Mid-tier X trim adds luxury amenities and advanced technology, while the top-of-the-line GT trim, priced at $35,645, includes performance-oriented enhancements and premium features. These prices position the Optima competitively within the midsize sedan market, offering exceptional value for its array of features. Conclusion. The 2025 Kia Optima continues to set a high standard in the midsize sedan category, blending stylish design, advanced technology, and reliable performance. Whether you're drawn to its modern aesthetics, impressed by its suite of safety features, or enticed by its competitive pricing, the Optima stands out as a compelling choice for drivers seeking a well-rounded and dependable vehicle.